Hi students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. We are learning our fourth chapter trigonometry. So in our last class we have completed some problems in 4.2 exercise, correct? Okay, so I hope you all learned your last day's class. Please students, next week we have a half-yearly examination. Um, uh, so be ready for that. So this trigonometry is also included for that. Okay, so up to 4.3 exercise you need to learn for the exam. So learn it. Okay, students. Okay, so nearly 13 problem we have completed in the last class. So two more problems are left in this section. We will complete the two problems and we will start the next exercise. I hope you all of you learned all the formulas also. Okay, so let's move to our today's class. Exercise 4.2, problem number 14. The question is, find the value of tan pi by 8. Find the value of tan pi by 8. Okay. We know that. So first you need to think if we know any formula related to tan. Okay. So what's the formula for tan 2a? You have learned. Okay. So you have learned already the formula of tan 2a. Okay. So tan 2a, what's the formula? 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. We are going to use that formula. Okay. We know the identity. Tan 2a equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square. Okay. So this is a formula for tan 2a. Now we are going to put in the place of a as pi by 8. Okay. So here it is pi by 8. So we can substitute that same pi by 8. Now substitute in the formula. So tan 2a. Is it right? So tan 2 into pi by 8 equal to 2 into tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. So here this will get cancelled. You will get tan pi by 4 equal to 2 tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Correct? Now, what's the value for tan pi by 4? Pi means 180 divided by 4. So, tan 45 degree. What's the value for tan 45 degree? 1. Substitute here. 1 equal to 2 tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Got it? So, tan pi by 4, the value is 1. That is same as tan 45 degree equal to 1. Cross it. 1 minus tan square pi by 8 equal to 2 tan pi by 8. Bring all the terms to one side. Bring this to this side. So tan square pi by 8 plus 2 tan pi by 8. Bring this to 1 to this side. Minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it's a quadratic equation. Correct? Degree 2. So what's the value of a here? 1. What's the value of B here? 2. What's the value for C here? Minus 1. So, in 10th standard, you have learned how to solve a quadratic equation by formula method. We are going to use that. Okay, so what's the formula? 10th standard, you have learned x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We are going to use this formula. So what will happen? Therefore, you will get, we are going to find the value, that is minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. That is 2 square minus 4 into ac divided by 2 into 1. Simplify. Minus 2 plus or minus root of 4. It's minus 1, correct? So plus 4 divided by 2. That's equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 8 by 2. So root 8, how will you write? 2 root 2, correct? Minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. What's the common? 2 is common. So minus 1 plus or minus root 2 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So what are the factors? Minus 1 plus root 2 is one factor. Minus 1 minus root 2 is another factor. Okay. We need to find the value of tan pi by 8. Is it right? So tan pi by 8, whether it is acute or obtuse angle, pi means 180 divided by 8. So it is an acute angle. Is it right? Is an acute angle. So acute angle in the sense that negative, this value is not possible. Okay, so only this value is possible. So since this value is it's negative, it's acute angle, this tan pi by 8 we need to find the value. That value is equal to minus 1 minus root 2 is not possible. Okay, so what's the only value? Is not possible. So therefore tan pi by 8 is equal to, what's the only value? Minus 1 plus root 2. We can change and write it as tan pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1. This is the answer. Understand, students? Very easy. So it's an acute angle, so in the sense it's a negative, this answer is not possible. So only the center positive, that answer is also only possible. So this is the answer, tan pi by 8 equal to root 2 minus 1. Okay, students? Okay. Only one problem is left in this section. So we will complete that now. Next question, problem number 15. If tan alpha equal to 1 by 7, sin beta equal to 1 by root 10, prove that alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4, where 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2 and 0 less than beta less than pi by 2. Solution. Tan alpha equal to 1 by 7, sin beta equal to 1 by root 10. Prove that alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4, where 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2 and 0 less than beta less than pi by 2. Same model, some problems we have completed in examples also. Since 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2 and 0 less than beta less than pi by 2. First, we will find the trigonometric ratios for all sides. So this is 1. So we will take this as alpha. So tan alpha means what's the meaning? Opposite side by adjacent. So this value is 1, this value is 7. So what about this side? You need to find. How will you find? Root of 1 square plus 7 square. Is it right? So 1 square plus 7 square is equal to root of, sorry ma. So hypotenuse, if we need to find means we will subtract. Is it right? So 7 square minus 1 square, that's equal to 49 minus 1, that's equal to root of 48. Split it. 48 means 2, 24, again 2 means 12, again 2 means 6, again 2 means 3. So this one, that is equal to 4 root 3. So this side is 4 root 3. Same as that, find out the next also for beta. Take here as beta. So sin beta, the value is given. That means opposite side by hypotenuse. So 1 by root 10, this value is given. So this one you need to find, correct? That is equal to square root of 10 the whole square plus 1, correct? Minus 1, correct? That's equal to square root of 10 minus 1, that's equal to root of 9 equal to 3. So this side is 3. Okay, so now we know all the values. Okay, so here tan alpha 0 less than, see the quadrant, 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2. That means pi by 2 means it will be lies in first quadrant, 90 degree. Here also pi by 2, so it will be lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all the values are positive, correct or no? Yes. Therefore, which implies alpha comma beta lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. What about first quadrant? In first quadrant, everything is positive, which implies all trigonometric ratios are positive. all trigonometric ratios are positive. Okay, so it is given tan alpha equal to 1 by 7, it is given, correct? We need to prove alpha plus 2 beta, correct? So you need to find alpha plus 2 beta. So how much you need to take? Tan of alpha plus 2 beta, that's equal to, what's the formula? Tan A plus B, same formula. Tan alpha plus tan 2 beta. Tan A plus B formula, here in the place of A as alpha, B as 2 beta. That's only 1 minus tan alpha, tan 2 beta. We have substituted the formula for tan A plus B. What's the formula for tan A plus B? Equal to tan A plus tan B divided by, learn all the formula, 1 minus tan A tan B. We have used this formula. Now that's equal to, what's the value for tan alpha? 1 by 7 plus tan 2 beta, 1 minus 1 by 7 into tan 2 beta. Okay, so now you need to find the value of tan 2 beta. Okay, so what's the formula for tan 2a? We know now, only in the last problem I said. What's the formula for tan 2a? 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. So same as that, tan 2 beta means what's the formula? 2 tan beta 1 minus tan square beta. Substitute the value, 2 into 1 by 3, 1 minus tan square means 1 by 9. 1 minus 1 by 9, that's equal to 2 by 3. Take the LCM here, 9 minus 1 by 9. That's equal to 2 by 3 divided by 8 by 9. Bring to reciprocal, 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. So if we cancel, here it will be 4, here it will be 3. So what's the value? 3 by 4. Now substitute this value in equation 1. Substitute in equation number 1. So 1 implies, what will happen? Tan alpha plus 2 beta equal to 1 by 7 plus 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 1 by 7 into 3 by 4. Simplify, take the LCM, so you will get 28. So 4 plus 21 divided by 1 minus 3 into 28. Take the LCM, so 4 plus 21 is 25 divided by 28. So 28 minus 3 by 28. Okay, so that's equal to 25 by 28 into 28 by 25. Okay, so what will happen? Everything will get cancelled, so that's equal to 1. So in which angle tan is 1? So in which angle tan is 1? Equal to tan 45 degree. How will you write this? Tan of pi by 4. So last we will find the answer. Tan alpha plus 2 beta equal to tan pi by 4. So tan and tan will get cancelled. So what's the value for alpha plus 2 beta? Equal to pi by 4. Very, very important as well as very, very easiest question. Understand, students? So first what you need to do, you will find out alpha and beta which lies in which quadrant you need to find first. Afterwards, tan alpha plus 2 beta. Their alpha value you know, 2 beta you don't know. So tan 2a formula you need to use it. Then substitute this value in equation number 1. You will get the value as 1. So in which angle tan is 1? You need to find out. Afterwards tan and tan will get cancelled. You will get the value for alpha plus 2 beta. This only you need to find. So alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4. This is a required answer. Understand, students? Okay, let's move to the next section. Okay, so all of you take down your book, just you follow in book. Okay, so your next heading is transformation formula. Transformation formula. You need to learn some formulas here. Take down your book. Transformations of products into sum and difference. Many formulas are there. If you need to take down to your note, please take down to your note. Otherwise, in your book itself, you can learn it. Okay, no problem. So, transformation formula of the products into sums and difference. I will mark and give. So, Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equal to sin A plus B. First one you need to take to your note. So next one, sin A cos B, sin A minus B formula, cos A plus B formula, cos A minus B formula. Okay. So then afterwards 2 sin A cos B means what you need. So this and all we will get from there only. So but you need to learn this. Okay. Thus we have the following formulas. Okay. So from here you need to take down all the formulas. So this 4 formulas now I marked here. So otherwise this you need to write this 4. So this 2 formulas. So this all the formulas you need to learn. So main formula sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. From that formula we are getting these 4 formulas and this 2 also. So you need to take down all the things to your note and learn it also. So okay, so if you are adding 1 and 2 you are getting this formula. Subtracting 1 and 2 you will get another formula. Adding 3 and 4 you will get another formula. Subtracting 3 and 4 you will get another formula. So this one sin square A minus sin square B is equal to this one. Cos square A minus sin square B is equal to this one. Then transformation of sum of difference into product. Put the heading. Part out this 4 formulas. So I think here 10 formulas. This one 4. So totally 14 formulas are there. Today itself please learn them. Understand students? Okay. So if you know the formula it will be very easy for you. So please learn the formulas. Okay, let's move to the problem. .4. Express the following as sum or difference. First Roman 2 sin 2 theta cos theta. Second one 2 cos 3 theta cos theta. Third one 2 sin 4 theta sin 2 theta. Fourth one cos 7 theta cos 5 theta. Fifth one cos 3a by 2 cos 5a by 2. Sixth one cos 9 theta sin 6 theta. Seventh one 2 cos 13a sin 15a. Okay, learn all the formulas, otherwise you can't do. Okay, so let's do the first section. 2 sin 2 theta cos theta. So we will use the formula here. 2 sin A cos B. What's the formula for 2 sin A cos B? Learn it. 2 sin A cos B. It is in the form of 2 sin A cos B. What's the formula? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Just you substitute in the formula, that's all. So 2 sin 2 theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta plus theta plus sin 2 theta minus theta. That's equal to sin 3 theta plus sin theta. This is the answer. Understand? Okay, very easy. But you need to learn the formula. The second one. 2 cos 3 theta cos theta. What's the formula you use here? We know 2 cos A cos B. What's the formula? Cos A cos B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Substitute the formula. Cos A plus B. So here it is 2 cos 3 theta cos theta. Substitute. So cos A plus B means 3 theta plus theta plus cos 3 theta minus theta. So you will get the answer as cos 4 theta plus cos 2 theta. This is the answer. Next one. Third Roman. 2 sin 4 theta sin 2 theta. You know the formula for 2 sin A sin B. What's the formula? Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Substitute in the formula. 2 sin 4 theta sin 2 theta equal to cos 4 theta minus 2 theta minus cos 4 theta plus 2 theta. That's equal to cos 2 theta minus cos 6 theta. Then next one, cos 7 theta cos 5 theta. What's the formula we'll use here? We know. What's the formula we'll use here? Here we know the formula for 2. Is it right, ma? 2 cos A cos B formula you know. What's the formula for 2 cos A cos B? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. But here this 2 is missing. So what's the formula? This 2 will come here. So 1 by 2, correct? So cos 7 theta cos 5 theta equal to this 2 will come this side. So 1 by 2 into cos of 7 theta plus 5 theta plus cos of 7 theta minus 5 theta is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 12 theta plus cos 2 theta. Okay. Next, fifth one, cos 3a by 2 cos 5a by 2. So same formula, but here 1 2 is there. So what will happen here? Same formula, previous section. So I am not writing the formula again. Cos 3a by 2 plus 5a by 2, then plus cos 3a by 2 minus 5a by 2. That's equal to 1 by 2 into cos 8a by 2 plus cos minus 2a by 2. That's equal to 1 by 2 into cos 4a cos of minus a. What's the value for cos minus theta? Already I taught you, cos theta. Okay, so cos 4a, cos of minus theta, cos theta. So cos a. This one. Okay, next. Cos 9 theta, cos 6 theta, sorry, sin 6 theta. That's equal to, what's the formula? I'm not writing the formula. Sin 9 theta plus 6 theta minus sin 9 theta minus 6 theta equal to 1 by 2 into, what's the formula? Sin of 15 theta minus sin 3 theta. I not wrote the formula. If you need, you write them. Next one, 2 sin 13a sin 15a equal to sin 13a plus 15a minus sin 13a minus 15a. So what's the answer? Sin 28a minus into minus, you will get plus. Okay, so this is answer. Understand, students? So very easy. Just I applied all the formulas in this question. Okay. So you need to learn all the formulas. That's the important work today. So your homework is today exercise 4.3. First Roman is your homework, same as this problem. First Roman is your homework. 4 problems are there, same as this question. Okay. So before that, please learn all the 14 formulas thoroughly. If you not learn the formula, you can't do a single problem even. So please learn all the formulas. Okay, students, learn. Don't waste your time. If you don't know the formula, we can't do. Okay, so 4 problems. That is first Roman. I gave the homework for you. Learn the formulas and afterwards you worked out. Then only it will be very easy for you. Okay, students, please learn. Don't omit anything. Learn all the formulas. This all the formulas we will use in the next year also. So not only for this year, 12th standard, we will apply this all the formulas. That time we won't teach it again as a formulas. Okay, so now itself you learn all the formulas. Then only it will be very useful for you. Understand? So learn the formulas and do the homework. Okay, students, we have completed 4.1 for example. So we'll start from next problem in the next class. Before that, you need to learn the formulas, otherwise you won't understand anything. So 2 more sections are there in this unit. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you, students. Be safe.